Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply or add same tax amount for all product in Wix store. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard and we are in setting, and then you see tax. So we are going to apply tax on all product. If you add two product in cart page, then 5% apply on each product. So we are in tax. Now you see manage how your business collect tax. So click on it, and then you see tax location. You will only be collecting tax for location that appear in the list. And then you see start collecting tax for customer. So click on add location. So you can select country. Now click on it, and then you see all list. So you can select United States. So if you want, you can select all states. So it's up to you. Now we are going to select Pakistan, and then you see setup tax for every province. If you want, you can enable this option. Now you see. So it's up to you, and then click on add. If you want, you can add more countries. So we are in Pakistan, and then you see tax rate, product, services, cancellation fee, and then you see shipping and delivery. So we are going to add tax rate on product only. Also you see advanced mode, so click on it. Now you see product, so you can add tax name. Now we are going to apply 5%, remaining 0. So only set on product. Now you see 5%. So this 5% apply on all individual product, and then scroll down. Now you see. So click on save. Now setting saved. If you want, you can add more location. Now you see add location. So click on it. Now you see Afghanistan. So you can add United Kingdom, United States. So it's up to you. So click on add. Now you see. So you can add tax rate here. Now cancel. So we are going to delete it. So you can add according to requirement. And then you see tax setting. Enable this option. Tax should be added at checkout. So this 5% apply on each individual product. Now setting save, go to cart page. So we have one product. Now refresh the page. Now you see subtotal $20, delivery free, and then you see tax 1. So we apply percentage 5. Now increase quantity. Now you see subtotal $40, and then you see percentage, we apply 5, but we have 2 quantity, and then you see tax $2. So this 5% apply on each product in our cart and checkout page in Wix store. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.